Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Atoms and Molecule, and today's topic is mole concept and numericals. Now, continuing further, last time we were doing the topic mole concept. The relationship between the mole, Avogadro's number, and mass is summarized as follows. I told you last time also that 1 mole of any particle, atom, molecule or ion is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of atoms, molecules or ion, or it is also equal to relative mass of those particles in grams. Okay, that is equal to their molar mass. Or 1 mole of molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of molecules, that is equal to molecular mass in grams. 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of atoms, that is equal to atomic mass in grams. So we can say 1 mole of an atom is also equal to the Avogadro number, and 1 mole of an atom is also equal to its atomic mass in grams, that is the molar mass. Okay, that is the thing which is being told. Formulae for the number of moles. First formula is number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Okay, so here the number of moles, sorry, I have written in capital, it is small. Number of moles is equal to, it will be small. Number of moles here, it will be small. So I will change it by pen. It's small n. Yes. So number of mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Now we know number of moles has another one formula is the number of moles is equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. So we know number of mole is denoted by small n. Given number of particles are denoted by capital N, and Avogadro's number is denoted by n naught. Naught ये नीचे zero दी हुई है. For example, calculate the number of moles for the following. Number 1, 52 gram of helium. Now finding mole from the mass. We know number of moles is equal to, it is equal to n. Given mass is denoted by small n and molar mass is denoted by capital N. Given number of particles are denoted by capital N. Avogadro is denoted by n naught. Now in first numerical, atomic mass of helium is given. That is we know that that is equal to 4u, and molar mass of helium that is equal to, अगर हम इसे molar mass मिलेंगे तो unit will change from u to g, that will be equal to 4g. Thus the number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. So I have given this formula same. Number of mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 52 gram and molar mass of helium is 4. So 52 divided by 4, that is equal to 13. And number of moles do not have any kind of unit. Second formula numerical is 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 number of helium atoms. Now we know again the number of moles is equal to given number of particle upon Avogadro number. So small n is again is having a formula capital N upon n naught. Given number of particle is equal to 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 and Avogadro number is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. ये कट हो जाएंगे और जो डिवाइड होगा आंसर विल कम आउट टू बी 2. So these are the two formulas. From that formula only we can calculate the mass. So mass will be equal to molar mass into number of moles. So mass, here you can see formula, mass is equal to molar mass into number of moles. So first question is 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. Now गैस अगर है तो हम नाइट्रोजन N नहीं लिख के N2 लिखेंगे क्योंकि गैस हमेशा डायटोमिक होती है, right? So we can write M is equal to capital M into small n, and we know the N2 नाइट्रोजन का मॉलिक्यूलर मास कितना होता है, that is sorry molar mass कितना होगा 14 ग्राम, और 14 multiplied by 2 that will come out to be 28. So 28 multiplied by number of moles कितने given है 0.5. So answer will come out to be 14 gram. सेकेंड इज देयर 0.5 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एटम. अब सिर्फ खाली एटम दिया हुआ है, मोल नंबर सेम है, तो अब 28 की जगह जस्ट क्या आ जाएगा 14 into 0.5, so answer will be 7 grams. Third is given 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 number of n atoms, yani ke these are the number of particles. So here we know that the number of moles n is equal to given number of particle upon Avogadro number, that is equal to n upon n naught. Okay, now we know that number of moles small n is equal to given number of particle upon Avogadro number, that is n upon n naught. So given number of particle are 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 upon number of particles Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, right? And we know that number of moles we are doing here, we know that the number of moles is given number of particle upon Avogadro number. Okay, and he is saying we are calculating the mass. Mass हमें पता है, mass is equal to molar mass into number of moles, and we know number of moles. Number of moles कैसे आया? Number of moles is equal to given number of particle upon Avogadro number, और mass हमें पता है कितना होता है N2 नाइट्रोजन का, that is 14. So 14 multiplied by that is the number of particles, number of moles. So that is 14, ये divide होके कितना आ जाएगा 0.5, that is equal to 7 gram. Next he is saying these number of N2 molecules. अब हमें पता है number of mole is equal to n upon n naught. हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? मास. ठीक है ना? तो इस फॉर्मूले में m इज इक्वल टू m इंटू एन, हमें n की वैल्यू क्या पुट करेंगे? n इंटू एन नॉट. समझ आ गई सबको? n अपॉन n नॉट. मास हमें पता ही है नाइट्रोजन का, N2 का कितना होगा? 14 इंटू 2, दैट इज 28. गिवन नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल हमें पता है, दैट इज 6.022 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 23 डिवाइड एवोगैड्रो नंबर. ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, 1 आ जाएगा, सो 28 इंटू 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 28 ग्राम. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स अगर हमें कैलकुलेट करने हैं, सो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट? सो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल इज इक्वल टू n डिवाइडेड बाय n नॉट, गिवन नंबर ऑफ. So again he is saying that, so number of particle here n is equal to n into n naught आएगा. Sorry, again it's written यहाँ पे it's multiplication sign, so by using pen I'll do it. It's multiplication, so n into n naught, it's n into n naught. N is the number of moles and n naught is the Avogadro number. Okay, record. Now calculate the number of particles in each of the following 46 gram of sodium atom. The number of atoms we know that given mass upon molar mass into Avogadro number. Where this given mass and molar mass has come, हमें पता है capital N is equal to into is equal to N. N is number of mole and number of mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass, and N naught is the Avogadro number. So by using that we will do that. So here is n is given mass upon molar mass and n naught is Avogadro number. Okay, so n is equal to given mass upon molar mass into n naught. तो number of particle अगर हमें calculate करने हैं, given mass is 46 gram and molar mass हमें पता है sodium का, that is 23 multiplied by Avogadro number. तो answer will come out to be 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23. Similarly 8 gram of oxygen molecule, again same formula will be used. Okay, again given mass is 8 gram. Oxygen का कितना होगा? 16 into 2, that is 32 grams. So 8 gram upon 32 gram, gram से gram cancel हो गया, multiply by Avogadro number. So answer will come out to be 1.51 into 10 raised to power 23. Third numerical is the number of particles हमें calculate करने हैं, that is n इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल अब हमें इसमें गिवन है, तो नंबर ऑफ मोल कितने हैं 0.1 ऑलरेडी हमें गिवन है। मैं थर्ड पार्ट जो है वो कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं कर पाई हूँ, सो थर्ड पार्ट इज n into n नॉट, सो 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा 6.022 into 10 raised to power 20। ऑल दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ योर एनसीईआरटी, सो प्लीज okay, so do them and revise them in your fair notebooks. Thank you.